Hello, welcome back to Ballroom for another Technique Tuesday. This time we're going to be dancing the hustle, and we're going to be dancing the hustle with the music, okay? So we have gone over many videos in timing and the differences in the hustle timing, but today I'm going to dance it with you with some music so we can try to practice it together, okay? So we're going to use the follower's perspective today. We're going to start with the single time version. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're changing weight consistently, and we also have a consistent beat. So there's no change in the most basic version. Say hi to Nala. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also count it in eights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and that'll stay consistent every single time. I would just suggest counting it in fours the way that hustle is, and then when we do the syncopated version, which we'll show you right now, we will count it the same throughout, okay? So this one gets a little more confusing because now we have a rhythm change. We have half a beat, and 1, then 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So our rock step now is faster, and we also have the and count before the 1 when we start rocking back, okay? So let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So because we only have 3 or 4 weight changes in 3 beats, now if we were to continue to count in an 8 count, for example, it would change every time, so it wouldn't always be going back and 1. Let's show you what that would look like. So that would be and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Example. So it gets very confusing to count this way because now we're constantly changing which beat we're going back on, which beat we're stepping forward on. So it gets really confusing to keep track of sequencing in your footwork. So I do recommend just keeping it and 1, 2, 3, and 1. That way at least you're matching the same steps. It might not always be the one beat in the music, and that's okay. That's the way the hustle is built. Not a big deal, but if you're confused on kind of how to match it with the music, just continue going rock, step, 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 rock, step, 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 okay? That being said, we're gonna try it with the music. I'll start with the single time version, and then we'll work our way up to the syncopated version, and you can dance it with me to practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we're gonna try to do the more advanced version. Let's do it. Starting on the and. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 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 and 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, so that is how we dance the hustle with the music. I hope this tutorial helps you match the music, whichever version you're doing. And if you're a beginner, I always recommend starting with the single time, working your way up to the advanced. You could do it forever on the single time and have a great time. It doesn't really matter. It's kind of what your goals are, okay? That being said, be sure to head to our website, ballroom.com. We do have hustle and many other dances, more in-depth, more advanced, and of course, everything is ad-free and instant access. So go ahead and check that out. If you did like this video, like it, subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye.